Hi, this is Graham Bibby here from instantstockresults.com. It's the 3rd of May 2013 and I want to take you through today a quick briefing on the stocks that we're holding and where the markets have been going over the week and the last few weeks. There will be a separate YouTube with any of the recent buys for this week. But first of all, I want to take you through our very good portfolio. So I'm starting off here with the Standard & Poor's 500, which is a US stock market, just to give you an overview of what's been happening in the last week and months. But first of all, let's go back. Sometimes it's better to look at the bigger picture. And as you know, since March 2009, which is way back down here, I've been the first one screaming, this is the buying opportunity of a lifetime. And why did I say that? Because we've gone from 700 to almost 1,600. There have been a few gyrations along the way, times to get in and times to get out of the market. Because the key to long-term results is minimizing your downside and then running with the profits. But this is interesting. This is the top here on the left where the arrow is in 2007, before this global financial crisis, global financial cleansing, as I'm calling it. And as you see over here, we've broken above that high. And the market here had a little bit of a correction, and now it's looking to move higher. And if we actually put this on, let's just get rid of some of these messages I'm getting at this time in the morning at 6 a.m. here. You can see we had a bit of a dip, nasty dip, 2 weeks ago, and then we've been on recovery mode, and we're kind of going sideways, and we're looking to move higher. So the overall trend is still up. Quite happy with that. So I'm just going to very quickly, take you through the stocks. This is one of our stocks, Con Electrical Stores. It corrected back here, and it come off of support levels, and this bottom is higher than that bottom, so that's still intact. This is Urban Outfitters. Great looking chart, because we bottomed out here. This bottom was higher than this bottom, and then this looks like the turning up point, and that should mean we go above 42. Looks great. Really happy with that. The Dow Jones, very similar to the S&P. It's held up well. It needs to break to new highs. This is the Nasdaq. That has broken to new highs. Very strong evening last night. That is so strong. That is so bullish. This resistance level here, which was resistance over here, and actually resistance here, it's broken above. This is CVS. It's a drugstore company, and as you can see, everything's intact. It's hitting a new high. The original buy on this came at 48. It's now 58, and that's 4 months. That's somewhere in the region of 20% in 4 months. This is one of my better buy signals. It's a biotech company. The buy came at 25 just in July of last year. It's 52. It's up 100% in less than a year. And here we are moving up nicely. Here's another biotech stock. The biotech sector, by the way, is looking very good. This corrected down to marginally at our stop loss levels, and then we've had a nice bounce at 2.23% last night. So hopefully that is the bottom in. If it stayed down on the low, we would have been selling this, but it's recovered. Here's Yahoo. Great internet stock. Internet stocks have been doing well. We've got another higher bottom. Great place to put a stop loss, and we're moving higher. Again, another drug stock. It seems to be a lot of the drug sector. Drug ETFs are doing really well. Not such a great night for this stock, but we're still around stop loss levels. And as you can see, before this, it was in a very good uptrend. Priceline.com's disappointed us since we bought it. We haven't made any money. It's been going sideways, but a nice 2% pop last night. And if we can break out of this congestion point, and let me just quickly show you some technicals on here. I do have a course showing people how to read and monitor technicals. You can see we're in this trading range. I'll just get rid of this one because we need to extend that now and show you the range that we're in. So we're in a trading range like this. And when we break out of that range to the upside or downside, we should have a significant move. And I believe it will be up to the upside, because after we broke this trend channel here, when we broke out through here, that normally is the first move up. Then you normally get a consolidation, and then you move higher. Another one here in this is in the health services. It's a bit disappointing. It's at our stop loss point. We're staying with it at the moment. If it goes any lower, this will be going. This is a fantastic company. Lionsgate is in the movie production business, and what can I say? You know, the last buy we gave was when it broke out around the 1650 level. It's 26 virtually now, and we're talking a matter of 4 months. So it's up nearly 9 points on a price of 16, which basically means it's up over 50%, and we're talking about 4 months, and the stock looks great. Barrett Business Services, wow, what a stock this has been for us. We bought it at roughly circa 20, depending on what time of the day you bought it. Going back to last July, it's at 52. We did have a wobbly point just here. I don't exactly know why that happened, but we followed technicals. If we had any more weakness, that would have been sold, and then we've been on recovery mode, and it looks to me as if it's moving higher. Another stock here that's at the stop loss point. EPAM Services, this is very key support here. We need to be turning higher, otherwise this stock will be going. And if I find something better to buy, this stock might go anyway, because it's been a bit disappointing, so it needs to be performed. So just back to the S&P, just show you there, it's trying to attack those new highs. So from Graham Bibby and Instant Stock Results, our portfolio is in great shape. So this is the 3rd of May. I'm signing off, wishing you all the luck. And if you need to contact me, just get on to Instant Stock Results. Have a great weekend.